The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Panasonic Lumix S5 II represent two distinct categories of cutting-edge technology. The iPhone 17 Pro is a flagship smartphone, seamlessly blending communication, productivity, and advanced photography into a single portable device. In contrast, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a dedicated mirrorless camera, engineered specifically for high-quality imaging and professional video production. While both devices incorporate impressive technological advancements, their primary functions set them apart. The iPhone 17 Pro excels as an all-in-one solution for everyday tasks and creative expression, whereas the Lumix S5 II is designed to meet the demands of serious photographers and videographers. Understanding these core differences provides a foundation for comparing their unique features and capabilities. When it comes to design and build quality, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Panasonic Lumix S5 II take distinct approaches tailored to their primary functions. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sleek unibody construction crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, complemented by the advanced Ceramic Shield 2 front cover for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. This combination not only provides a premium feel, but also ensures the device can withstand daily wear and tear. In contrast, the Lumix S5 II is built with a robust magnesium alloy body, specifically engineered to endure challenging shooting environments. Its sturdy design offers professional photographers confidence when working in demanding conditions, such as outdoor or travel photography. Both devices prioritize durability, but each reflects the unique requirements of a smartphone and a dedicated camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a high resolution of 2622 by 1206 pixels. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, this screen remains easily visible even in bright outdoor conditions, making it ideal for everyday use, media consumption, and mobile photography. In contrast, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is equipped with a 3-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen. While its resolution of 1.84 million dots is lower than the iPhone's, the vari-angle design offers exceptional flexibility for photographers and videographers, allowing comfortable framing from high, low, or awkward angles. Each display is optimized for its device's primary function: the iPhone for immersive interaction and clarity, and the Lumix for adaptability during creative shoots. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sophisticated triple camera system, with each lens offering 48 megapixels. This includes a main camera, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, all designed to deliver sharp, vibrant images in a variety of conditions. Its 18-megapixel front camera further enhances selfies and video calls. Powering these capabilities is the A19 Pro chip, which ensures fast image processing and smooth performance across photography and videography tasks. In contrast, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing superior image quality and depth, especially in low-light scenarios. The camera's advanced autofocus system and the new L2 processor enable precise subject tracking and support for 6K video recording at 30 frames per second. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels in versatility and convenience, the Lumix S5 II is tailored for professionals seeking advanced imaging features and maximum creative control. When considering battery life and pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro offers up to 33 hours of video playback and 30 hours of streaming video, making it a reliable choice for extended media consumption. Its starting price is $1,999 for the 256GB model. In contrast, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II provides approximately 440 shots per charge, which is suitable for dedicated photography sessions. The Lumix S5 II is priced at $1,699.99 for the body-only configuration, reflecting its focus on professional imaging capabilities. These differences highlight the iPhone's versatility as a multimedia device and the Lumix specialization as a high-performance camera. In summary, the iPhone 17 Pro stands out as an exceptionally versatile device, making it ideal for users who want a powerful smartphone that also excels in everyday photography and videography. Its advanced camera system, robust performance, and durable design cater to those seeking convenience and high-quality results in a single, portable package. On the other hand, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is best suited for professional photographers and videographers who require advanced imaging capabilities, superior manual controls, and high-resolution video recording. Its dedicated features and rugged build make it a top choice for those who prioritize creative flexibility and image quality above all else. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value all-in-one convenience or specialized performance for professional content creation.